Remedies, and today I'm going to be making ranch dressing powder on my own. So it's just buttermilk powder and a bunch of herbs. I went to Walmart to get my ingredients, and my determination was to use the whole buttermilk powder. This is enough powder for probably 3 months. I'm going to keep it in the fridge. Okay, so I say 2 cups of buttermilk powder, but it's this whole thing. I think it's, 14 ounces. It's not exactly 2 cups, but I use the whole thing, and then I do 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder and 3 tablespoons onion powder. And if you want to skip watching me, just put stuff in there, you can look in the description below. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of that's the onion powder. I kind of put everything in a basket, so I had it all together. And then I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of parsley. And I have like a big funnel, which I love that thing. Just put it on top of like a mason jar or something. 2 tablespoons dill weed is next, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of Swerve and drop that in. I think ranch dressing has a little bit of sweetness to it. 4 teaspoons of chives is next, and I think it took me a second to figure out where the chives were. Let's see. Okay, there are the chives, and then we're going to do 4 teaspoons of sea salt. And I just got a sea salt at Walmart. I got all of these items at Walmart, except for the Swerve I got at Costco. But like the buttermilk powder, and all these other things. I did 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons, and then 1 teaspoon of Cayenne, which is optional, and a teaspoon of xanthan gum. I think I should increase it to 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is the thickening agent, and it wasn't quite thick enough with 1 teaspoon. So I'll put that down below in the description, and then I think I missed it, but I also do 2 teaspoons of white pepper. So then you put the lid on your jar. I had this fancy jar, but I usually use a mason jar for everything. Put the lid on the jar and just shake, 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 shake for like 45 seconds to a minute until the consistency looks like ranch powder. And then what I did after this was you're going to add 3 tablespoons of this to your liquids. And I like to use mayonnaise that I've made with MCT oil, as well as chicken broth, and then I have this nice ranch dressing that doesn't have any milk in it, that really is almost, I don't know if the buttermilk powder is dairy free, but it's almost like a dairy free, good gluten free ranch dressing that we can just pour on everything, anything and everything.
Like, no.
How do you like the ranch dressing? It's delicious. Kind of a thinner one over here. It's really good. They don't need to know. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. You won't tell, I won't tell, right? No one needs to know, right? This is our secret.